In this video, I will show you one of the most powerful price action strategies into the long direction. So you will learn how to read the chart, how to find the most powerful trading setups for the best trading entries, and of course, by the end of the video, you will be able to master price action trading in your trading. So let's move on to the chart and break it down step by step. We're here on the Australian dollar, US dollar on the daily chart, and what we see here is we are in a downtrend, but the downtrend is becoming really weak down here since we are barely making new lower lows and new lower highs. And in the end, we see a consolidation. The new highs and lows are made within the range of the former one. So why is this area so interesting for us? It's because of this weakness in the market. The market doesn't really want to go through. It is defending this area, so it seems like there's a lot of profit taking going on. So this is a really interesting area for us to look at in case the market decides and turns into the long direction. In order to take a closer look, I zoomed in a little bit and I will now draw in a trend line so we can take a close look and see exactly when the trend is breaking. So if the market breaks through this trend line, it is the first indication of a possible trend reversal. So let's see what the market does. Right at this point, the market breaks through the trend line, but we won't enter the market right away and trade the breakout. We will wait for the retest of the market. A retest is really not unlikely, and we want to make sure it is not a fake breakout and really a trend reversal. So here we see the market comes back. So this is the moment where we switch the time frame. So here in the 1 hour time frame, we have a consolidation as well. We have a sideways range where the market is moving within. And of course, like in the higher time frame before, we have two options here. We can start trading the breakout from this area right away, but in this case, we want to wait for the retest and find an entry after the pullback. This gives us confirmation that this is not a fake breakout and the market really is making higher highs and higher lows. Here we see the breakout from this area and here the retest. And right here we have a beautiful bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. The bullish candle engulfs the former red one, but not only that one, it engulfs the whole 3 red candles before. So a really beautiful pattern, which we use now for our trade entry into the long direction. So this will be our trade entry. And here you see the market did another retest of that area. That is totally fine since we placed our stop loss far enough below. So always make sure that you don't make the mistake of moving your stop loss too soon into an obvious area where the market may return back before he continues into our trade direction. Here there's big momentum coming into the markets. The bears are really taking over. And if we jump back to a higher time frame, it sometimes helps to manage the trade better because you get a better overview over the overall situation. For example, right here, you see when the market made a new higher high and a new higher low, this is the time where you can start moving your stop loss below this area, for example. Our trade developed very well and you see how early we already got into the market. And most trend traders only start thinking about getting into the market right here and then probably put their entry right here where I have placed the new entry. Here you can compare what movement they missed. So you see how powerful it is to know how to analyze the price action in order to find patterns that indicate a trend reversal early. But always remember to wait for confirmation before you enter the market so you make sure you trade really reversals and not fake breakouts. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week with the next video. And if you don't want to wait until then, you'll find below this video a link to my webpage. See you then. Bye bye.